Hi students, through this video I'm going to tell you some important words which if you don't understand in IELTS writing task 2 questions you're going to face problem, because if you don't understand the meaning of a word you'll not be able to get views and you'll not be able to write. So the words which are, just check out these words on your screen. The first word is silver screen. For silver screen means the cinema screen, the screen of the cinema. They are talking about cinema halls, like whether people will lose interest in going to cinema or not. This kind of question is asked. Next is blood sport. Blood sports means which involve lot of bloodshed and all, like bullfighting in Spain. You know that many bulls die and many people lose their life because of this. So they ask whether blood sport should be allowed or they should be banned. Next question, next word it is space exploration. Space exploration means when scientists go and explore the space. They are talking about, yes, the different satellites which we are using, or the mobile phones which you are able to use, or the navigators. These all are the advantages of space exploration. So when scientists go to other planets and explore space, that is called space exploration. So question comes that space exploration is good, or it has advantages, or it has not done any good to the humankind. So this kind of question is asked. So you have to talk about advantages and disadvantages of space exploration. Next word is immigrants. I hope you know this, that immigrants means people who go to different countries and settle down there. Countryside area. Countryside means a village area. Countryside means village. So if in question you have countryside word, you like question is asked that many people move from countryside to the urban areas. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this phenomenon? Then serial drama or serial daily soaps. These are called the daily serials which you watch on TV from Monday to Friday. Daily the serials which you watch. The normal serial dramas on TV are called serial dramas or serial soaps. Then throwaway society. What is this throwaway society? That nowadays people, the question which is asked is, nowadays we are living in a throwaway society, so it is harmful for the environment, but many people think that from business point of view it is quite good. So what is your opinion regarding this? Throwaway society means nowadays people are using buying products, using them for a short duration, and then they are throwing it out and they are buying another one. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of this phenomenon? Then prison sentence. Prison sentence is means they're talking about the imprisonment, the sentence awarded to the criminals. Like for prison sentence means the punishment awarded. Then imprisonment can also be used for this. Another word for this is life term imprisonment, means when a person for the rest of the life is sent to the jail. But if we talk about death penalty, the word is capital punishment. Next word is remote areas. The areas which are really backward than the villages also, with latest facilities or the basic facilities have also not reached. Then sometimes in a question they ask whether the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. So outweigh means, are they more than the disadvantages? So outweigh means they're asking you, advantages outweigh the disadvantages, or disadvantages outweigh the disadvantages. So you have to answer these kind of questions. In conclusion also you should clearly mention what do you think, the advantages are more or disadvantages are more. Next word, plastic money. Plastic money is used for your credit cards and debit cards, and the paper money, the normal currency or the notes, are called paper money. Next, this is very important, conventional medicines and conventional traditional medicines and alternative form of medicines. So conventional medicines means the old form of the normal medicine, the allopathy which we use, and iske alternative, they are talking about alternative forms of medicine. So alternative forms of medicines means like acupressure or Ayurveda or homeopathy. So ispe the question which is asked is that some nowadays what do you think, the traditional medicine is better or alternative forms of medicines are better? Something like that they ask in the question. Or some people are nowadays trying alternative forms of medicines instead of traditional medicine. So what do you think, is it a good idea or not? So this is part 1. I'll come up with some more words like this. So if you have exam, don't miss out this word. All the best and have a great day.